Hello, welcome to a new episode. This is about the Soloud crate, which I've just published a few hours ago. So this basically wraps the Soloud audio engine, which is used commonly for games and has a permissive license. This is the crate's repo, and basically supports multiple formats with multiple bit rates, MP3, OGG files. It's still in alpha condition. The documentation is pretty lacking. However, to play an audio, it's basically simple. So the crate itself has multiple example files, which you can see here. And basically, the whole idea is we would initialize the Soloud engine. You can create a WAV struct and then load a file, and you can then play the file. You can also, the library itself has a speech synthesizer, so you can create also a speech struct, set the text and have it read out. And you can also add filters to your audio, and then just by basically instantiating and a filter, there are multiple filter types. Here we're instantiating an echo filter. You can set the params. Here the params just sets the delay. The API looks like this basically, since filters have the same, nearly the same API. So for an echo filter, when you have when you set the params, it sets the delay. This should be clear from the parameters, the names of the parameters you're passing and the types of the parameters. So if we wanted to try the code itself, so if we go to okay, I'm going to run an example. So here it's playing the WAV file. After that, it will play the MP3 file. This is a non-blocking operation, so you can basically play multiple sounds at the same time. If you want some blocking in your code, you would basically use the while slo.get voice count, and as long as it's above 0, the main thread itself will sleep, and after the playing finishes, it will go to the next audio. So here, if we try the filter, you can see this is in an echo filter, so with a delay of 0.2. And if we try the speech synthesizer, which has a robotic characteristic basically, but it basically reads this text here, hello world, 1, 2, 3, can you hear me? And I've also created a repo to show its usage with GUI, a GUI application. So if you go back, so if you check the code here, so let us say so the code basically just instantiates a window and a button. The audio engine sets the global volume, and then the callback for the button is to play this WAV file. So to block in a GUI application, which is not acceptable, we use here app wait unwrap, which basically waits but keeps the GUI responsive. So if we see here, this is a bit loud. However, you get the idea. That was basically it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you can try out this crate, and see you again soon. Bye.